Hi, I'm Paul Hekkert. I'm a professor of design aesthetics in the Netherlands at Delft University of Technology.
Hi, I'm Santosh. I'm doing my first year in my Masters of Graphic Design.
Hi, my name is Gautam Sachdeva and I am in TDV pursuing my Bachelor's in Graphic Design.
Hi, I'm Anshika Saini. I'm from Foundation here. I'm from Roorkee, and we were listening about Paul Hekkert workshop since many weeks, and today the workshop started.
Hi, I'm Archit Dhiman and I'm here at TDV to do my Bachelor's in Graphic Design.
Hi, I myself Gokula Rajan VR. I am pursuing my interior architecture post-graduation second year student. I am coming from Pondicherry.
Today we had the first introductory lecture for Paul Heckert's workshop, Vision in Product Design.
About this workshop which is being conducted for this week is based on the impact of design as well as aesthetics.
For this workshop, I would say that the workshop Impact of Design. I am really excited about the new methods we are going to learn in this 5-day workshop, and especially the whips design.
Since there is a topic called aesthetics which I love a lot, I am very much excited to know the key content of the aesthetics and what they are going to teach me.
Today we got one task. We are a bit confused what to do. We're just putting some points, but I'm waiting for the result, and I think this workshop it's gonna to be awesome.
What I expect out of this workshop will be that we learn human-centric product design, which will revolve around understanding the user's needs and condensing that into a design that will be not only minimalistic but also rich in its usage.
He's going to teach us about theory, about mechanisms he's been working on at TU Delft, Netherlands, approach to design, and I think we're going to learn more about that, how to channel thoughts. Right now I'm very confused as to how we're going to get to the final point and the end point in the impact of design.
First we have a little presentation on impact of design, and now we got some tasks. We have to put points and then we have to present it. So I'm just waiting for what will be the result and what I'm going to learn from this workshop.
It certainly sparked a lot of interest in what product design is, and I'm really curious to see what all goes into designing a product that is very useful for the users.
How to take something as a design problem and methods to solve it, and just maybe channeling of I don't know, maybe. We are excited
To know what is aesthetics and how they are going to make it. What will be the key, what they are going to implement, what they are going to teach us, how we are going to make use of this aesthetics in our future life.
And we've had a great session so far with Paul Hekkert, Dr. Paul Hekkert. Obviously we know that it's something to do with impact of design, and we've seen presentations and they were really good.
I'm very much interested in the design as well as combining the engineering into a design so that it can make a perfect combination, like marrying engineering with a design.
Apart from being addicted to design, I'm also in love with India. Well, what we try to cover in this week is to make the students aware of their responsibility, but also their power, that they could actually shape society for the better. And although the solutions they will come up with this week, or the interventions they will come up with this week, will probably never see light, they will get a taste of what they will eventually learn in these 3 or 4 years, and what they could bring to society after they finished here. So we want to plant the seed for that.